Back to Knowledge Joe channel. So for today's video, we will have our daily trading program on my channel. So I will always have my daily trade. So anytime, any day that I am doing my trading, I will record it and post it on my channel. So if you guys would like to learn about the trading technique and the way that I'm trading on my every single day trading, that I am able to have profits around 100 to 200 US dollar every single day on my technique. So you can subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and check out every detail that I will have on my decision making every time I start my entry in the market. First of all, in every kind of trading, we will always check for the easy look and easy patterns that you can learn about the market pretty quickly. Here we have Australia, Canada with a pretty good percentage of 90%. So I believe this profit 98% is a very attractive one for the trader to go through. But don't forget that in those kinds of high profit that they are giving to you, you have to check that if the market having a pattern that you can recognize or not. Like I can say, we pick the most easiest part of patterns that you can trade. Now, first of all, we check on the trend of the market. And the second, we check on the support and the resistance of the market. If the market have a very specific support and resistance, and if the market also have a good trend or not. So if the market doesn't have or exist in any kinds of trading, any kinds of patterns that you can check or you can learn from. So don't trade on those kind of market if you don't see any kind of this trend. I can see this. We have a little support here, but I don't see if this support is going to be strong enough to push this one to going up higher. So it will depend on this one. If this candle is going to be a bullish one and they have pretty great deal on volumes, so I believe that this can be a very strong support. So this strong support, so you can go on to bullish. Okay, bullish. They create a doji around here. So one day creating doji, and then we can see that a pretty solid, pretty strong on volumes. So when you see this volume, this is always one of a kinds that you can learn from, and you can master on this trade only when you see support, resistance, and the trend line pretty clearly. Then you can go ahead and trade. I see this support, and then I see this fighting between the bullish and the bearish. You can see that this is not a clear winner, and even this candle also pretty close to lose the position. So anytime that the volume of the bearish enter this point, we can lose immediately. But it seems like the support here pretty stronghold, so they can give us a good entry here. So I make my entry here. So my first trade here is $55 already. It's okay. Pretty good deals. Let's go to the next one, because my target profit is 100 at least. So we have $56. Let's go over one more time. So it seems like the bearish, they start to break in at this point. Let me draw this point. This is the bearish start to break in and break this one more time. I don't know if this is really a good strong base support that we can use in trade or not, because we see that it seems like the price start to fighting battle around this support line. It's pretty risky to trade to. We can see this engulfing, and okay, so that can be a sell. Okay, I'm a little bit late here. I just recognize that the engulfings have come at this battle. Pretty good percentage in trading, pretty attractive in tradings, but it seems like they are going further now onto the bearish. I think bearish, they are more like winning this battle. I can see that the battle is pretty great here. They come pretty low in the day compared to a lot of other candles behind. You can see that the history of this chart pretty show us that the bearish pretty have their strong powers, and they are staying bound around this support and resistance. Okay, now it's rising back, so it's been like they are not completely winning this support. They going back a little. Nice profit, but not great market, I can say. Guys, the most important things in trading is you look for the easy market in trade. Do not look for the bad market or the hard market that you don't see any kinds of pattern of reversal, pattern of the trend. If you don't see any kind of those pattern, this kind of market is I can say it's pretty hard in making profits. So today I can say it's pretty tough day in trading. I can see that they have the doji here, and the bullish start to going furthermore. So for me, I will wait for the price to fall back a little, and then we'll wait for to buy it back to the position. So let's see this one here again. Okay, here we go. You can see that buy taking place, a lot of power into bearish and bullish now. You can see that they have great battle here, but it seems like the bullish lost the power into the bearish. So let's have another 100s onto bearish, because I see that it is more possible into the bearish, because the bull, they kind of losing the power into the bear after break this resistance, and the bear, they seem like taking more control into overall market. Okay guys, so this one will be our last trade here, because we reach our target for today is 100 US dollars. Wow, it's awesome. So that's it guys for today's video. I don't want this video to be that long, so I take a pretty quick trade. Today is Monday. I can see that the market for today is pretty tough, because we don't have a lot of trend kinds of market, and we also don't see any good pattern in trading for today's. But somehow we managed to win this 2 trades, and we have pretty good deal here. Okay, so and another 90 and 53, then we have $100 already. Okay, So we got profit $100 already. Okay, we'll look at here. We can see that the bearish pretty low. It's possible that bullish will be going back. Look at this one, because the reason that I always check the volume, because I always look into the number of the people who are really doing in trading, and how many of them are going to sell and how many of them are going to buy in this market. Because if you don't check the volume in the trade, you kind of don't know why the market is moving into that directions. So the reason that the market is moving up and down is really depend on the demand and supply of the market, specifically onto that currency, onto that stock or option. So if you are understanding this well enough, I believe that you can trade in any kinds of trading. It doesn't matter if you are trading on stock or if you are trading on forex, something like that. Sometimes you can check on a long-term kinds of trading. So if you are trading on stock, if you are day trading on forex, so this kind of technique is work, and it's worked for me pretty good, and I believe that it's also will be working for you too. Okay, before we are going into, let's have a look into my trading history. I'm trading on digitals, and let's check on today's tradings. Pretty brutal, because I trade earlier and don't have much profits. It's just today that I able to just now recording for today's. Okay, so here's the profit I make for today is 160. This is the last two trade that I just recorded and showed to you. My last two trade is 55 and 90, so it's 100 something US dollars for today. And yesterday was Sundays, kind of a brutal kind of trading. It was like a lot of fighting. You can look into a total equity here. So it's like 1,000 US dollars here. That's crazy, and you win in net profit in 159. So you can see that brutal trade on Sunday also. And Saturday I have 43 US dollars. So it's just only one trade on Saturday. I normally don't trade much on Saturday and Sunday, because the market doesn't have the volume or the numbers or the real actual people who are doing trading. So you don't see those number. So that's why I don't trade on Saturday and Sunday that much. So that is pretty little here. Saturday and Sundays. Fridays, I don't know how much I make on Fridays. Oh, Friday I don't trade it, yeah, because I was busy. If I trade, yeah. On Thursday I also doing trading, like, so I can take profits here 100. So that's my daily target profit is around 100 to 200 US dollars every single day. So that's it, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.